All right, y'all, before this video starts, I'm here to let y'all know my OnlyFans is officially up. So hit enter. And there we go, man. Subscribe right now. It's going to be the first link in the description. Subscribe if you want all the game giving, man. So I'm giving up tips, everything I do, how I do it, how I edit. So it says right there. So subscribe now. I'll probably drop the price a little cheaper. But yeah, let's get the video started.
I'm tryna fuck you, baby. Hopefully we don't have nothing, baby. I don't even wanna go back home. Hopefully you don't leave my home. Before I die, I'm tryna fuck you, baby. Hopefully we don't have nothing, baby. I don't even wanna go back home. Hopefully you don't leave my home.
Hey man, Shay Sway is back in the building, man. Welcome back to another video, man. What are we doing today? You buying the Benz or what, man?
Benz, man. AMG. What Drake say? I'm outside in an AMG.
I don't listen to Drake. This is a C43 AMG. I'm trying to get him to buy it. I highly doubt he'll buy it though, but if you guys know me, you guys know most likely is gonna get the C43 AMG only because the rear wheel driving is fun as hell. Oh my, that shit sound good as hell, man. They got, what is this? I don't know, but it look good though.
If I get this today, I'm going straight to the 10 shop.
I'm going with you.
10 now.
Man, where we going today if you buy this today?
Shit, we can go anywhere, bro.
All right, yeah.
You trying to go to Malibu?
Nah, hell, that's too far, shit. No, I don't like driving like
trying
that.
to go down PCH or something, bro? Look at the water or something.
I'm trying to find some hoes, man. I gotta get some hoes around here. Start that slow shit. And it's used. Oh, shit. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, that shit sound good as hell. Oh, shit, ran that bitch there. One more time, buddy. Ain't lying.
That shit sound nice, bro.
That's not stock exhaust.
It's not.
Yeah, let me test drive that bitch real quick. Shit. Hey, look. Me trying to be partners with the dealer. Shit, let me go test drive every car in here for a video.
Shit, let's do it. I should have got my camera too.
I ain't gonna lie though. I'll test drive with Scat Pack though. It's cool. It's just smooth power. It's not like anything like crazy.
Nah,
But it's fun though. But it's not like.
It's not like a Hellcat.
Nah, Scat Pack's cool. Like Scat Pack is like a smooth.
You can make it like a Hellcat though.
They build it. Yeah. This motherfucker here though.
But I always told myself though, if I was to get a car.
Yeah, but this beats Scat Pack like nothing. Yeah. Even though it's a V6, it's twin turbo V6.
Yeah, I like how that shit sound.
Wait, once you do, just change the exhaust,
Yeah,
this shit gonna pop. I'm about to bite down on a C43S AMG, the coupe one.
Oh, nice.
Since Benz is making those into like V62 now.
Yeah.
So I was like, let me get the last gen so that way I could just, because that car is fun as hell.
It is fun.
Yeah, because I want the coupe version too. So the coupe is like more expensive. So it's like,
the coupe is more expensive.
So it's like 90 something.
The good thing about Mercedes, I know there was one of the best things I love about Mercedes, you can put the seats all the way back. If you push this,
Oh, it goes.
it's gonna go all the way back, and you have stretch legs.
Yeah. So,
No other car does that except for Mercedes. That's why I want to get a Mercedes. I'm very tall, so I just need a Mercedes so I can sit all the way back.
yeah, fuck Dodge right now.
And it has heated, cool, no, not cool seats, just heated.
Heated seats, yes.
And the steering wheel, is it cool too and heated or?
This thing sounds good as hell. Tough or smooth? You know me, only driving the Sport Plus.
Yeah, I'm about to change it right now.
drive, so it's not gonna spin.
Yeah, that's a good thing too.
That shit's just gonna go. And I like the downshifts too.
You hear it?
Yeah. Damn. And it's so smooth. It's smooth as hell.
Yeah,
Dang. I ain't know it was this smooth though. That's a Sport Plus and it's that smooth.
Yeah, that's Sport Plus.
Damn. Yeah, I'm used to cars, but like when you floor it, it's like it's aggressive. That's glad that's a good thing it's smooth then. Well, I forgot it's Mercedes, so it's gonna be smooth. Dang. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, this is cold. Damn.
Yeah, I used to be scared to try to get a car with the turbo and it's a V6. It's just like a V8.
Yeah.
So V6 is
In a sense, it's like a V8.
Yeah, because of the turbo.
Yeah.
Adjust everything and being like crazy, like everything. You literally like adjust
Like you
everything.
can control the whole thing.
You can have like a Sport Plus transmission with like a comfort drive and all that. Crazy.
Yeah. Suspension.
Like how the Hellcat is.
So you can have it as
It's better than I ain't gonna lie, it's better than Hellcat.
I don't know how much my insurance is gonna be for that. I'm not sure.
No texting and driving.
I shouldn't be doing that.
I caught you on camera doing that. Damn, man.
Just hit it.
Yeah, you scared, man. You want a AMG, man. You tripping. That motherfucker's going. That was going. God.
Is it SUV or no?
No, the 4-door.
Oh, I heard it.
You heard it?
Yeah.
What do you think about
Who's
it?
on the passenger?
It's like he works for Toyota.
You're on my vlog. Hey, how you doing? You single?
Leave her alone. This is my boyfriend's little brother. Please.
Hey.
He's not little.
Hey, look, I'm a grown ass man with money in my own crib, man. Hey,
He's 21.
I'm 22.
Oh, 22.
Come on now, get it right.
Oh, she said I turned 23, so.
Oh shit. Hey, where you from?
She from out here.
Hey, I'll take a couple of plane rides out there. Damn. It's so smooth too.
I see it. Send me pictures instead, because it's blurry.
I got you.
All right.
That boy that bought him, what is that, a Yaris?
Yeah, I like
Shit.
it. So now let's see what this is talking about. The same numbers.
It's
I
gonna
gave
be, I don't know, we'll check
you.
it
I
out.
forgot that was.
I'll put it for you on the computer so you can charge it.
I probably get in trouble with
It's
this.
a gas saver too, so it's better than the.
It's a gas saver? The way I was driving like that? I thought I just took
You
the
can
whole
put it
tank out.
echo.
Yeah.
If you put
No,
it in echo,
it's
you
a
can save it.
V6.
You can control.
Yeah.
When you put it in echo, it's gonna turn off the twin turbo. So you're
Yeah.
just driving as a regular.
Yeah, it's
car.
regular as a V6. Yeah.
I think it's trying to say.
I'm tryna fuck you, baby. Hopefully we don't have no baby. I don't even wanna go back home. Hopefully you don't leave my home.